Hello everyone, I'm Aaron Pletz from DataStax, and welcome to Tips and Tricks for the DataStax Astra CLI. In this short video, I'm going to show you several examples of how the Astra CLI can help to 10x your generative AI database tasks and help to get you back to focusing on what you do best, writing code and building your GenAI apps. Let's go! So when we're using the Astra CLI, we must remember to prepend all commands with Astra space DB, then the command, and then the database name. This is the format we'll use going forward. We're going to start by using the Astra DB list command. This will show us all of our available databases. From here, you might have noticed that the React Miami 2024 database has a status of hibernated. If we want to use this database, we need to resume it first. For that, we can use Astra DB resume, followed by your database name of React Miami 2024. This might take a minute or two, but eventually it should come back and your database should be resumed. Next, we're going to look at creating a collection in our database. To do this, we'll use the Astra DB create collection command. Now here we're going to specify your database as well as an option for the collection name, the number of dimensions for our vector embeddings, and of course, the similarity metric that we'll use for our vector searches. All right, that collection's ready. Now, if we wanted to have a look at the collections we have in our database, we could do a list collections command. As you can see, our new vector data collection is indeed there. Now let's say that we wanted to remove or delete a collection. For this, we can use the delete collection command. And again, we'll specify the database as well as the collection name. And once that's complete, we can go ahead and run the list collections command one more time just to verify that it is gone. Sometimes when building a GenAI app, we want to keep the collection, but get rid of the data. To do this, we can invoke the truncate command via CQL shell. In this case, we're going to specify our default key space, and then a dot, and then the name of our collection. As we pass that to the truncate table command, this will go ahead and pipe the instruction through CQL shell, thus getting rid of our data. For more information, be sure to check out astra.datastax.com for your free Astra DB account, as well as the companion blog found at datastax.com/blog tips and tricks for the DataStax Astra CLI.